What's up guys, it's Challenger here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we got all the slime stuff and we even made one. So I'm going to show you guys something first. So I made this. It's like a little sloth pizza with star, pepperoni, and orange, and two purples, and yellow crust, and your eyes, guys. Let's get on to the video. Okay, with that, everything that we can make one. Let's start making. We're using our own slime. We already made some other ones. I made some Okay, so we are squishing into glue. We're gonna go to 25, or maybe more, or maybe less. I am a terrible slime squeezer. We're gonna use like this, and like only one drop's coming out. When I do like this, like a lot comes out. Daddy, can you come help me?
Yes.
Can you put it up to 30 instead of 25? That has to help me out pretty hard. Okay guys, so we got it. Let's pour it in. Woo! Okay. So we're pouring it in. And we're gonna scoop it out after we get some of it out. After we get it all done dripping. Okay, this one is disgusting. So when I made my black with, Daddy, come over here with me. So guys, my daddy is at the other side. So I'm getting almost done.
What are you doing?
I am pouring in the glue.
But you're scraping it all out?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get as much as possible out, huh?
If you can't get it out, just let your dad or your mom, whoever you have right next to you. Okay, that is a roll. Stick it in. Okay. So now we need to watch her. Now you're going to kind of mix it a little bit, the way the water can get all over the glue, inside of the glue. And next, you grab one of these spoons, and you pick whatever color you want to pick. Guys.
Mix this up real good.
Yes.
Get the slime, the water and glue real mixed in together. Mix it up good. And you can put more or less water depending if you want to make thicker slime or thicker
like,
slime or sticky.
Yeah, because like I made a glow in the dark slime over here, and I used like this whole bottle of paint.
So I think we got it mixed up good enough, so we can start adding our colors. What kind of color you want to add, Charlie Drew?
Let's see here. Let's make it orange.
We'll make it neon orange. What is that? You do metallic?
Yes. Ugh. You should don't get on your white shirt, guys.
Yeah. Maybe we should go with white.
That was my choice. It was cute. Make sure you don't overflow it with your spoon. Make sure you get it all out, and make sure you use your spoon and like scrape it out, if I say. Or you can just scoop 2 scoops or 1. You do like a whole scoop and like scrape it off and like get a half scoop if you guys want to. Or you can do it whatever color if you want it to be really silver or gold, whatever color you want to do. So now you're going to mix it up. Kind of clear, needs more. Just going to dab a little bit.
Maybe a little more than that.
I'm almost into this thing. Does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
So now this is what it looks like, y'all. Pretty silver. You see that, guys? It's pretty silver. Make sure you mix it all in. It's pretty, y'all, right? It's like so glittery. Now, next is activate. Oh, my daddy has it. I'll use the other one. There. So it's pretty.
Hand me the other one.
That was glue.
This one wasn't.
Making my own slime now. I made like a couple of my own slimes, y'all. Ah! Can someone get me a try? Make sure, guys, if you want to slow it down and you can mix it and pour it sure that you can, or just blot it in at one spot. Make sure you don't spill it, guys. My turn. Can I do it? Okay, so this is what we have it so far, guys. Whoa! Make sure you get all the goo in it. Like all of the goo and stuff, whatever you had in there. And you can also add some stuff at the end of it, like some of this. I'll put that aside. And for this so much, I'm gonna add some glitter to it, guys. I am gonna add something from in here. I'm gonna add a couple glitters, y'all. Make it pretty galaxy. Make sure you put it. That's what it looks like. That's how much purple glitter I'm gonna add, y'all. Maybe a little bit more drop. Okay, that's enough, I say. Ah! Okay, so now I'm gonna add some of this blue, like it's really galaxy. Okay, that's enough. And I'm probably gonna add some of this. Some of these little things right here, and I also add some of this blue. If you want to add more glitter instead, you can. Now you can spread it apart. If you want to add more purple, you can. I'm going to. More purple, let's say. That seems like it's enough. Now I can like spread it all apart. And you can stab it wherever you need to. All of the glitter off. Make sure it's okay for parents let you get it on their paper. Is that okay, Daddy? So, yeah, you gotta ask your parent. If it takes over your whole slime, it's alright. It's gonna be so good. And this is what my slime turned out, y'all. It's pretty and cool. Comment down below if you want me to make another one. Daddy, what did they say?
They said yes.
Okay. Daddy, can you give me a bag? Over there. Sandwich bags! Sandwiches! I actually don't. Just extra thing out of my video. Okay, let's make another one. This one's too tight, right, y'all? Okay, guys, look at that. I took off this top. What? This is this. Okay, so that's enough. Mix it up before you do it. Mix up the glue. Now some water. Water. I don't know if you guys like my slimes. Now mix the water in it. My dad is pretty cool of telling about YouTube. And I am too. And I'm a YouTube star. Actually. Giggly, jiggly. What is this?
Activator.
Wait, don't do that to it.
Yeah. Make sure colors and stuff up.
Let's, I'm gonna do these two colors, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of different color. So, I am going to so the silver, guys.
Are you gonna add more silver? Do another silver slime?
No. I'm not doing another silver slime. Guys! Okay. I'm adding it into this color acid. 2 milliliters of both. What is this? It's like a little bit curled. Okay, so now I add a little bit curl into it. This is not what I was going to make it of, but it's pretty y'all. I add a little bit of shine. Let's can add a little bit more if you want to. If you want it to be really pearled. Now let's mix it up a little bit. So guys, what do you think of it? It's so pretty. Look at that. Pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. Okay, now let's add the extra butter. Now it's not that much of activator, so it won't be that much thick, guys. Pie some mine. It's very gooey this time. Last time I did it like a little bit, after a bit. You can start mixing. It's like so cool. It's like half of it's like sticky, half of it's like whiny. Like whiny, like help whiny, I'm whiny, I want a baby. This thing's awesome. Doesn't matter to the stove. Just take off the top and you can use it. That's probably good enough for my slime. And for my white slime. And put that thing on. Now I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit the way it gets a little bit gooey. Okay, now it's water! My dad already did it. Mix, you guys mix it up where you can get so gooey. Like that. We made a thick slime over there. So if this one's gonna be thick, it can. But if you don't want it to, it don't have to. If you want to let it be white, you can. I'm gonna add a color to it. Let's see here. Ah! This thing's so low. We still got a little bit. Okay, so I am gonna add, let's see here. Let's use, let's make, why can we just make a glue? Guys, let's make a glow in the dark, that way y'all can see us in the dark, and let's see if it glows. Eek! What? I can't close it. It's empty anyways. Ah! Okay. And over here is our other glow in the dark slime. It's so squishy. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. I think that's enough. It turns pretty white instead of like really, really white. Whoa! Just stop it.
Just stop it.
Because it's not enough. Is that all that was in there?
Mm-hmm.
Are you kidding me? It's not even making it color. Daddy, can we add a color to this? Let's do a dark color, that way it looks what is the, let's do this pink color. It's really pretty. Look. I use this color for like a little one or a big one. It is this one right here, that one. I used it and it's pretty cool. I love it. It's gonna be so awesome now. It's gonna be pretty light. Hey guys, so I'm mixing it in. It looks so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty that is, y'all. That's so pretty. It's so pretty, look at that. Just keep mixing it in until you want it to be done. That is actually a pretty color, guys. What do you think? Is that a teal color or blue color to y'all? Comment down below. Now we're as back to bite. This color is so pretty. What do you think? Is that pretty? Blah.
Mix it up.
Yeah. Comment down below if you want me. Comment down below if you want me to make another one, or you want me to do 2 more and then make my lipstick one. Comment down below. Whoa! That thing is so gooey. If you want to play when it's gooey, you can. Oh, hey guys, welcome back. It was just like a few seconds, but I'm gonna warm this thing up again. So be careful when you're standing. Safety glasses. Just kidding. Okay. Okay. So let's bring our other ones. That way we can go in the dark too. I can hold it. Oh, if you guys like my outfit. Okay, guys. It's gonna be pretty dark in here, guys. Woo, it's about to be dark. at this, guys. It's like glow in the dark. Is yours? Look at mine, guys. It's so awesome. 99. Wow, yours is really glow in the dark. Mine's like, whoa. Mine's barely glow in the dark. Ooh, guys, that switch. Here. Look at this, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna take it out. Hello. Thanks for watching my slime video. Hope you check out some more of my other channel, CGM videos.